Hi, I'm Desmond Fulton and I'm Chairman of the Animal Health and Welfare Committee of the Ulster Farmers Union. In recent weeks we've been receiving a high volume of calls from producers seeking clarity about TB testing under COVID-19. In order to handle queries, the UFU has created a frequently asked questions document which is available on the UFU's website. Or you can get in touch by contacting your local group office or the Ulster Farmers headquarters, and our team will try to answer your questions as quickly as possible. Obviously, the current situation is developing very quickly. However, the UFU is regularly in contact with Minister Poots, DAERA and the veterinary organisations to discuss issues and formulate solutions. Current guidance is that TB testing should only be conducted under exceptional circumstances where public health agencies' guidelines on social distancing can be adhered to throughout the test. We've already secured assurances from DAERA that herds with overdue TB tests because of COVID-19 can continue to move cattle directly to slaughter, will not face cross-compliance penalties and will not have their herds restricted until the test becomes overdue more than 35 days. As the situation persists, additional measures seem likely to be required, and we have asked DAERA to consider increasing the age under which calves are exempt from TB testing to make more testing safer to complete, and enable farmers to move their TB test to another veterinary practice if the test is safer to complete. Where the full herd test cannot go ahead, we've asked DAERA to consider extending the period until movement restrictions are applied to 70 days and keep this under review as the situation develops. Introducing partial herd tests to enable farmers to test a smaller number of animals which they need to sell, whilst managing the risk to TB-free herds. Enabling cattle to move directly from TB-restricted herds into restricted finishing herds under licence without associating the herds, and suspending the restriction on herds buying in cattle where the TB test has become overdue. Additionally, we have asked DAERA to amend the letters being sent to farmers or include clarifying leaflets so that producers are not receiving mixed messages at this time, which is causing anxiety and confusion, and consider requiring only one clear TB test to re-establish OTF status once the herd test becomes more than 3 months overdue. Hopefully you can see that everyone is working tremendously hard at the moment to find solutions to the issues we are facing. Try to focus on maintaining the high standards our industry prides itself in on every day, and follow the general public health agency's guidance to keep you and your family safe. Thank you.